Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to teach you about functions in Python. This is a very much important in programming languages. And so far, we have written a single page code only and executed over there. And simply, we have shown the basic examples and syntax based. In this session, like this, we'll go to write more and more code. Like we have a bunch of question, you assume it, and there is many forms are there to write. The lines of code are many, and if in the forms are increasing, number of forms we have a requirement is also increasing, keep on increasing. So this is the functions. See, the better way to organize our code, and we need to break our code into small and more manageable and more maintainable code. Like small chunks, we will make it as in a small chunks, and we can try to reuse the code. What is the block which is purpose we have written? This is called these chunks and blocks of code where we are making. This is called like functions. We can say that simply. Okay, function is in a container for a few lines of code which is there for the purpose of a particular a specific task to be performed and execute, and it will gives us a result of the written value. All right, we will see a simple function over here with the writing of the greeting, say hi or welcome or help. Okay, the function we have to declare in Python using def. This is a keyword we will use for before writing the Python language. By default, Python people are inbuilt. This is the keyword definition of a function. Okay, and like greet underscore user. The simple my function name is greet underscore user and colon and enter. Here you have to write what you want to print within the function. Say what I want to say is hi there, and print like what I want to say that welcome to academy. Welcome to academy. This is my function, that's it. And I want to call a function from different place or different form. We will see more and more with the while we are entering into the object-oriented programming with how to calling the functions and methods and how to passing the parameters and arguments. In the basic example, we will see here how to call a function. Once the function is written over here, and you have to take two spaces like two empty lines to write next line. See, if this is in a one line and two line, and go to the move to the starting position where you have to start to write the code. Right now, see here, print here like simply starting here. I'm printing start. Like printing is starting here. Now again, I want to calling a function like greet user function. I'm calling here greet user, and here I want to print end, or you can call it as printing is finished. What it would be print this function? Lines is required. It's the one only here. It is there. Hence Python is not accepting. Now see that's eliminated. Now Python is satisfied. No spaces. All right. Now see here. This is the function basically is written with this parenthesis with the colon, and within this block is treated as a function. Within the lines we have to write. And once the function is completed, the function block, we have to come out and given a two spaces and write from the beginning for the next line to be executed. This is the basic syntax to write in a functions in Python. Now, if I execute this statement, straight away this print statement will be goes to print in a start. Next, it will call the function of greet user. It is calling this function and it will print these two lines. Hi there, welcome to academy. Then there is a third line is there here in the statement like a print finish is completed the calling the function. For understanding purpose, I have written here Now going to be an executing that statements one by one. You see here, start is printed for this, that you know that very well. And here you go, hi there, it is a called a function with the respect of this function name, and it's a hi there, it's printed. Now see here. All right, and hi there, after the hi there function, how the hi there statement, now print it's a welcome to academy. This is the welcome to academy. Once the function is over, that block is over and printed something, and next we have given this print finish statement. Now see, this is the finish. That's what. That is a very much pretty easy. If we want to specific function called like sum, there is a one function. Subtract, addition, different functions we have called, and we are passing some other place to calling some two parameters like addition two parameters, and we are calling this function and passing these parameters to perform the action here and getting the result over set here. Likewise, we'll use the functions. We'll see. You will get a good understanding of by seeing the OOPS concepts like object-oriented programming. This is what is the purely basic. And anyhow, you have enough facility to view these sessions and videos many times by recap, and you will get a good idea to understanding about all the topics. Thank you.